Your vehicle's battery provides the engine with the necessary power to get up and go. There's no formula to the exact lifespan for your vehicle's battery, but it is primarily affected by three factors: time, heat, and vibration. Hey y'all, I'm JD Mixon with another Gilbert Car Care Tip. Just like all of us, car batteries age over time and have a finite lifespan. Even in ideal conditions, batteries will deteriorate until they can no longer provide enough power to start your engine. In cooler, northern climates, a battery might last 5 years or longer, but here in the Sunshine State, around 3 years is more common. Vibration can also reduce the lifespan of your battery by causing physical breakdown of its internal parts. To minimize the effects of vibration, your vehicle has special hold-down hardware that secures the battery in place. You should inspect your battery periodically to make sure it has a long, energetic life. If you aren't comfortable doing this yourself, don't worry. It is always part of the complimentary multi-point inspection that comes with every single service here at Gilbert. Our certified technicians have the diagnostic tools to test your battery and to make sure your connections and cables are corrosion-free. And if needed, we can replace your battery right away. Call our team today at 863-763-3154 or visit gilbertchevrolet.com to schedule your next service visit. Find out why people say Gilbert has it.